Hi everybody, it's Beth from Avery Home Search, and today I'm so excited because I get to do another bedroom refresh. If you've been following me a while, you know I just did one a couple of weeks ago. This one is a different color. I did purple last time. This one is a lighter shade of purple, and I got this idea off of one pillow. One pillow. And a lot of people ask me all the time, how do you even start to get ideas on how to make over your room or your home? And I always tell them start with one item and build off of it, and that's what I did. Sometimes you may find other items in your home that you can use to accent that one piece of decor, or you might do what I did in this video, and I used my Philip Hue lights. I bought these a while back, probably a year ago, and I did a video on it, probably my first bedroom makeover, and I have been using them to accent my home ever since. So back then they were about $59 a piece for the kit, and we did the wiring above the cabinets and the kitchen and everything. I can't wait to go through the house and show you what we did. And we just use it for accenting the entertain. Just love them. And for this particular pillow that I'm going to show you, I had a hard time matching it with decor in the house. I wanted to do something different, and I decided, let me use those Philip Hue lights. And this is not a sponsored video, I just really like them. So if you're new, I want to take this time to welcome you. Thanks so much for watching. All of you that visit me already, you might be getting a shout out today, so stay tuned to see that. And I also want to thank you for coming back to watch today. All right guys, so we're going a little lighter purple this time. Last time we did the dark purple, so I decided to do something a little light for spring. I hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you at the end of the video. Hey guys, thanks so much for tuning in. I am so happy I got a chance to do this video. I was thinking about what I could do to spruce this room up, and I decided lilac, light purple. So guess what? I started from the inspiration of this pillow. This pillow I got from Amazon.com. They had every color of the rainbow. This was the one I picked as my inspiration, and I found these florals. These florals I had from. If you're wondering what else I did add those lamps. These lamps on the end tables, they're new. The mirrors above, I've been meaning to get those for a while, and one of the content creators that I follow had mentioned, hey, why don't you get some mirrors to put above those end tables? And I said that was an awesome idea, because I had actually forgot about that. That was one of the things I wanted to do. So that would be Divine Inspirations by Martha. Martha has the greatest ideas, and I will definitely leave a link in the description so you guys can go see for yourself. Check her out. All right, so look up here at the curtains. I did not buy new curtains. All I did was pretty much take my existing color curtains. I had 4 panels. I put one in front of the other, and I tied the front too. So that's how I got that look. So you can do little things like that to change the look of your room. You can change up the style of your curtains. You can add different colors. And guess what? You don't have to have a big brainstorm. I started from a pillow I saw on Amazon.com. So I am excited to have had the opportunity to show you guys this refresh. I did add some seating over here. I forgot to show you that. I've had those chairs for a while. I didn't know where to put them. I decided to bring them in here. And I actually had this table for a while as well, and I just decided to put it in this room underneath this mirror that I got from Pier 1. And yeah, let's show you the night view so that you can see what everything looks like at night. And I also want you to know that If you are visiting this channel for the first time, thanks so much. Welcome. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you like what you see. If you're not a new visitor, thanks so much for returning and showing me some love. Hey guys, I'm looking forward to showing you this night view, so let's get into it. Watched faithfully, thank you so much. Got a special treat for you. I know it is so much snow out there in some parts of the United States where I live. I'm in Indiana, so I just wanted to share a little bit of what we woke up to after our storm here in Indiana. As high as the mailbox. Basically our bushes. Our bushes. So that's about, wow, I don't know how many feet. This is Indiana, where I live, and there's too much snow. Excuse my dirty windows. See, it says told us that truck over there. Boxes. Good luck delivering mail today. Okay. Somebody shoveling the snow. Alright, so this is where a 4x4 comes in handy, guys. You need a truck living over here. You need a truck living over here. Alright, so next time I see you guys, I will be in the house.